Hello guys, how you are doing? We are back again with another topic. Please thank you for those that are subscribed to my YouTube channels. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate. For those that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Please, if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you not subscribe, what do you gain? You don't gain anything now. Help us to grow. We have to grow the channel. With your help, we will definitely get to where we are going to. Thank you for subscribing. Press that notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified once I drop any video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have been watching me till now, thank you so much. Please like and comment on the comment section below on your thought on this topic we are going to be talking about. Today I'm going to be talking about everybody needs help. Yes, everybody needs help in one way or the other. You know, some people when you help them, they will feel that it's their birthright. When it's helping you become your right. No, that person saw you, he helped you. Don't Some people will write mugu one. No, it's not good. That person helped you. That person that helped you is not a mugu. When that person help you, it's not a mugu. You just want to render that help to you. You just want to help you. That person want to help you. Maybe you have been praying for help. You have been praying for help. You have been praying for. Now you are seeing the help. You are, instead of you utilizing that help, instead of you utilizing that help that person gave to you to better your life. We need help to get to that place we are going to on time, to get to that place we are going to speedily. Sometimes you cannot do it alone. No. Help, when you receive help makes that journey to be faster. Not when some people, when you help them, they will label you as mumu. That man is not a mugu. That woman is not a mugu for helping you. At the time that person loves you, wants you to be happy. You in return make that person happy in return. Somebody gives you money. Somebody gives you money to establish. Instead of you establishing with the money, instead of you establishing with that money, you will not use that money to establish. You will use that money for fashion, to buy clothes, to buy jewelries, to buy human hair, to buy shoes. When you can actually invest that money on something better, then you'll be thinking that anywhere that this comes from, another one is definitely going to come. Why don't you help that person by establishing with that money? After you must have established that money, you can return that money to that person. For example, before you return somebody's money, it means that before you return somebody's money that helped you, it means that you have gone far. You are past that level of you are past that level that you were. You are now in another level. Some will say, when you come to do this one, you come to do that one. No. Don't think that person is a mugu. Mamugu one don't drop. My dear, nobody is mugu. When you are deceiving that person actually knows, that man, that woman, he or she actually knows that yes, this person is not straightforward. Sometimes it is good for you to be straightforward in life. Don't say because that person help you and namumu. It is good for you to be straightforward. When you are not straightforward, that person knows that you are not straightforward. That person knows that you are not straightforward. That person knows that the money he is giving you, you are not using it well. You think that that person is a mumu. No, he's not. That person is actually smarter than you. Sometimes when help comes your way, utilize that help. Make use of that help. You can actually make use of that help. And you can actually make use of that help, and at the same time giving back to the society. And at the same time giving back to the society, or paying back. Some people will not pay back. Some people will not pay back. There will be rainy abuses on that person that helped them. No. It's not that person that helped you have not done anything wrong for helping you. Sometimes your helper might come in different ways. Your helper might come in different ways. You shouldn't be. You shouldn't be ungrateful. No. Any little help that somebody rendered to you, you should be grateful for that help that somebody helped you. You should be grateful. If you are not grateful grateful for the help that you just received, how can you give others help? How can you help others when you yourself are not grateful? Have you ever imagined you helping somebody and that person not being that person is not grateful? Have you ever imagined that? How it feels for you to help somebody and that person is not grateful? If you imagine it, if you feel that pain, you will not do it to somebody else, because you know that it is very painful not to appreciate help that somebody gave to you. Sometimes your helper, they are not fancy. Sometimes your helper they are not beautiful or handsome. Sometimes help. Sometimes it's not all about money. There are so many different types of help. Try. Let's help one another. Let's help one another grow. Let's help one another achieve our dreams. You can help in different ways. Money is not only help. Money is not only help that is in this world. That it's not only money that you can use to help somebody. Words of wisdom is part of help. Helping that person to achieve his or her dream is part of help. That person will never forget you. Help is, we can help in our own little ways. We can help. Helping somebody is, this topic help is a very wide topic. You can help with money. You can help with words of wisdom. You can help. You can help in little ways that you can. You feel that it's not important. I just do one. You might actually help to saving that person's life. Stop indulging yourself in evil. Stop indulging yourself in side talks. Stop judging people. Start making use of your mouth to encourage people. Start helping people. Let it be known that you have I have done this to so I have helped this, I have helped that, I have helped also person. Let it be known. Let it be known that you have helped a lot of people. Not just talking. Not just backbiting one another. Not just insulting people. Have that spirit of help. Somebody that helped you is not a mugu. That person helped you so that you can help somebody else. Do not label that person as mugu for helping you. So this one are mugu 1, mugu 10. Maybe sometimes some girls we have up to 10. Why now? You just say that person. You just say that person not say you the plan why you. He knows. He understands. He knows that what you are doing is not right. But because he loves you, he will say, he will change one day, will change one day, will change. He or she will change one day, they will change. But you will not change. It's high time for you to change. When somebody help you, acknowledge that help. When somebody help you, appreciate that help. Appreciation matters a lot. Appreciation matters a lot. Any little help you got for somebody, appreciate it. Try as much as possible to help somebody else. Because the world we live in today, we need help. To move from one stage to another, we need help. You know you can actually help me in growing this channel. That is help. That is help. Sharing my videos, making this video to go viral is part of the help that I'm talking about. Seeing my video, sharing it in your social media platform, everywhere that you are sharing it, you have helped me in one way or the other to gain some views, to gain some followers, to gain some subscribers. Subscribing is part of the help. Sharing is part of the help. Commenting is part of the help. It does not take money. You don't need money to do that. All you need is your hands. Just press it. Why not put a smile in somebody's faces instead of criticizing people, instead of bad-batting people, instead of apropos, instead of you doing apropos, instead of you saying what will hurt others? Why don't you use that mouth to actually help somebody? Why don't you use that hand to actually help that person? You will see when you start helping people, you will see how fulfilling you will be. Sometimes you help some people, they don't acknowledge your help. You don't have to feel discouraged. Keep on doing the good work you are doing. You will see your good work will actually pay one day. I am telling you. Somebody bigger than you Somebody big and that those that you have helped will recognize your help one day. We see that help you have been rendering to people. Don't think that people don't see those help you are helping. They sees it. They sees it. Don't think that you are not recognized. You are recognized, but one day you will be remembered by the good work you are doing. Those good work you are doing will pave the way for you. Those help you are helping will open a lot of doors for you unknowingly to you. They will surely open a way for you. Open doors, different doors, doors of favor, doors of abundance, doors. Things you don't desire, they will start happening to you because of those good things you are doing. Please, let's try and help one another. It is very important. In any little ways that you can. Put a smile on somebody's faces. Thank you very much for watching me. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have not followed me on Facebook, please follow me on Facebook. My name is Glamorous Beauty on Facebook. Please go and follow me on Facebook. Like this video, comment, and stay blessed, guys. Bye. Remember, help one another. It is very important. Bye. Stay blessed.